Most of us think productivity means doing more things faster. We try to keep our heads above water, reacting to every email, notification, and request that floods our workspace. The problem starts with how we track our tasks. When you work from a raw, unfiltered to-do list, your brain treats every single item as equally pressing. Everything feels like it needs to happen right now. Dwight D. Eisenhower, the 34th U.S. president, operated differently. He navigated massive global decisions using a very simple philosophy. What is important is seldom urgent, and what is urgent is seldom important. You can apply this same logic using a 5-minute daily exercise. This 4-quadrant framework filters a chaotic list into a precise plan, aligning your daily duties with your highest priorities, both in this life and the hereafter. Deliberately structuring your day around high-value activities ensures that your progress is measured by results, rather than the volume of noise you reacted to.
Step 1 is getting everything out of your head. Do a brain dump. Write down every single task currently on your mind. Don't organize it, don't judge it, just get it on paper. Your list might end up looking something like this: preparing a Friday khutbah, replying to random WhatsApp messages, studying AI, endlessly scrolling social media, and meeting a hard project deadline. Left like this, the list is paralyzing. To fix this, every single item you wrote down must now answer 2 strict questions. First, is it important? A task is important if it produces long-term benefits. These are the actions that directly build your career, improve your health, fulfill your family obligations, or contribute to your ultimate Islamic goals. Second, is it urgent? A task is urgent if it has an expiring deadline that demands immediate action right this second. Think of a ringing phone or a medical emergency. Human beings naturally conflate urgency with importance. We treat a ringing phone as if it holds the exact same value as sitting down to study the Qur'an. Applying this filter clarifies the reality of your workload. Once you separate the urgent from the important, you see that many things demanding your immediate attention do absolutely nothing to serve your actual goals. Now we map the list onto a 2x2 grid. The top left is Quadrant 1. This is the zone of crises, containing everything that is both urgent and important. If a salah time is expiring, a family member has a medical emergency, or an assignment is due tonight, it goes here. The top right is Quadrant 2. This is the growth zone. Tasks here are highly important, but they are not urgent. This is where you put the work that builds your future. Establishing a daily Qur'an habit, learning new skills like AI, exercising, and strategic community planning. Highly successful leaders organize their days around this quadrant. They don't spend their time fighting fires. They spend the vast majority of their working hours executing proactive strategies in Quadrant 2. Neglecting these long-term tasks because they lack an immediate deadline eventually forces them to mutate into the high-stress crises of Quadrant 1. Moving down, the bottom left is Quadrant 3. This is the zone of deception. These tasks feel urgent, but they are completely unimportant to your actual goals. Think of unnecessary meetings or relentless WhatsApp notifications. The items sitting in this box are usually just someone else's priorities masquerading as your emergencies. Finally, the bottom right is Quadrant 4, the zone of waste. These tasks are neither urgent nor important. Endless social media scrolling and random videos land here. The psychological danger here is subtle. Exhausted by the false urgency of Quadrant 3, people often retreat into the numbing distractions of Quadrant 4 to cope. In the process, they entirely abandon the life-building work waiting for them in Quadrant 2. With your list fully sorted, the final step is execution. The matrix provides 4 rigid rules for how to handle your day. For the crises in Quadrant 1, do them immediately. These fires have to be put out before you can move forward. For the growth tasks in Quadrant 2, schedule them. Look at your calendar and unapologetically block out protected time for this work before anything else can intrude. For the deceptive urgency of Quadrant 3, delegate them if you can, or minimize the time you spend on them. Give yourself permission to firmly say "not now" to distractions. And for the waste in Quadrant 4, eliminate them. Remove them from your routine entirely. They drain your time in this world and offer zero benefit for the next.
By taking 5 minutes to apply this matrix each morning, you replace overwhelming anxiety with sharp clarity. You ensure that your limited, valuable time is spent deliberately, serving your highest worldly responsibilities and your ultimate spiritual priorities.